If you struggle with dandruff, itchy scalp, build-up, scalp irritation, or unhealthy hair growth, neem may be one of the most underrated natural ingredients you can add to your hair routine. Note that natural remedies work best with consistency, patience, and good hair care habits. Hey my love, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omar if you're seeing me for the first time, and I create content around natural hair, real hair talks, real life experiences, and the real natural hair cultures, plus amazing DIYs that would help you navigate your natural hair journey. If that's something you like, please do well to subscribe and join the family. In today's video, I made a DIY neem hair rinse by boiling neem leaves, extracting the water and applying it to my scalp and hair before rinsing it out. Neem has been used for centuries in traditional beauty and wellness practices, especially in parts of India and South Asia, where it is widely known for its cleansing and scalp supporting properties. Let's talk about why neem has remained a trusted hair care ingredient for generations. Neem comes from the neem tree, a plant native to the Indian subcontinent that has long been used in herbal beauty and traditional wellness routines. For generations, people have used neem in hair rinses, scalp treatments, skincare remedies, herbal cleansing routines. Neem became popular because of its reputation for helping improve scalp health naturally, especially for people dealing with dandruff, irritation, and buildup. Even today, neem is commonly included in many shampoos, scalp oils, and hair treatments because of its powerful natural properties. Many people commonly use neem because they notice improvements in scalp condition when they add it consistently to their routine. People commonly use neem to help with itchy scalp, dandruff and flakes, product buildup, scalp irritation, excess oiliness, general scalp maintenance. A healthier scalp can create a better environment for stronger, healthier hair over time, and that is why people tend to add neem to their hair products or to their hair care routine. While neem is not a miracle product treatment or a miracle growth treatment, many people use it because it helps improve the foundation of hair growth, that is, the scalp. Neem has several properties that make it beneficial for hair care. Number one is antifungal properties. Neem is widely known for helping with dandruff and flaky scalp, like I mentioned initially, because it may help reduce the fungal overgrowth associated with dandruff. Antibacterial properties. It can help cleanse the scalp and reduce buildup that may contribute to irritation. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Neem also helps with irritated or inflamed scalp conditions. It helps balance oily scalps. Neem is useful for people who struggle with excessive scalp oiliness. It also supports healthier hair growth environment. By keeping the scalp cleaner and healthier, neem can support a better environment for consistent hair growth. To make this neem rinse, I boiled neem leaves in water for several minutes. Boiling helps extract the beneficial compounds from the leaves into the water, creating a concentrated herbal rinse. Once the water changed color and the neem had infused properly, I allowed it to cool before sieving out the leaves. Now, before I started boiling, I had to wash my neem leaves first. Please take note, I had to wash it to take out every debris or every dirt from the leaves. Then I went ahead to boil for like 10 to 15 minutes and then allowed it to cool before sieving. Training or sieving, the neem rinse was ready to use. I applied the neem water directly to my scalp and hair, making sure to focus especially on my scalp because neem is mainly used for scalp support. I like to make sure it reaches the roots well. I allowed it to sit for a while so my scalp and hair could absorb the treatment before rinsing it out. This is not a living for me. I used it as a rinse out treatment. One thing I want to emphasize is that neem works best when you understand what your scalp actually needs. A lot of people focus only on hair growth but ignore the condition of their scalp. If your scalp is constantly irritated, flaky, or clogged with buildup, it becomes very difficult for your hair to thrive. That's where neem comes in, not as a quick fix but as a scalp supporting treatment. When you use neem consistently, what you are really doing is helping your scalp stay cleaner and more balanced. Over time, this can reduce issues like itching, flakes, and even excessive oiliness. And when your scalp is in a better condition, your hair is more likely to grow and retain length properly. Another important thing is consistency. Using neem once or twice won't do much, but when you start using it weekly or even a few times a week, depending on your routine, that's when you may begin to notice changes. For some people, the first thing they notice is less itching, a calmer scalp, reduced flakes. Then over time, they may start to see less breakage, better moisture balance, healthier looking hair overall. Also, neem is especially useful if you use a lot of products on your hair. If you're someone who layers oils, creams, gels, or styling products, your scalp can easily develop buildup. Neem helps act like a gentle clarifier, supporting a cleaner scalp without being as harsh as some shampoos. That's why many people like to include it as part of their routine in between wash days. Now, let's talk about something important, expectations. Neem is not going to suddenly make your hair grow overnight. That's not how natural ingredients work. Think of neem as part of a system, clean scalp, consistent routine, proper moisture, gently handling of your hair. When all of these things come together, that's when you start to see real lasting results. Forget that length retention is just as important as growth. Your hair might already be growing, but if it's breaking off due to dryness or poor scalp health, you won't see that progress. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair care and DIY hair growth videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.